Now that we have a basic understanding of the editing tools in Davinci Resolve, let me show you how to do some basic editing like cut and do some trims, some ripple, delete and the other about. So to just apply it, all you need to do is to just walk around with your playhead. So at any given point, if you intend to insert a cut, you can just use the letter B to insert the cut. You can insert cut at this point, and once you click, select the clip and you just press on letter B, it's going to enable the razor blade tool. Okay, and you can just click to create a cut. Okay, so once you create a cut, you are free to go back to the selection tool and you can select that particular portion of the clip and click press on delete to delete it, which is going to leave a space over here. And if you want to remove that space, you can come over here, select it, and you can come all the way and press delete, and it's going to cover it just like so. So this is one way to delete a portion of a clip and to cover the gap. Okay, so let's do that again using a different method. You can do the same thing by coming to the location where you want to delete. For example, I want to delete from the beginning of this clip, from this point to this playhead. All I need to do is to press on the shift and the open bracket. So the shift plus open bracket is going to delete that portion of the clip, okay, that I have selected from beginning to this point. Let me do that again. Undo, and from this point, like I said, from this point to the playhead is what I want to do, what I want to delete. So the shift plus the open bracket is going to create that for me, and manually I can select this portion and right click maybe and say ripple delete, and it's going to delete and cover the remaining part of the and rejoin the clips together. Okay, another way to do it is if I want to delete from the beginning of this playhead at this point to the end of the clip, all I need to do is to hold down the shift and the close bracket this time around, the shift and the close bracket, and it's going to delete from that particular point of the playhead to the end of the clip. Okay, so let me undo that again. The basic difference is that when you do that kind of delete, it's always going to leave a space in between the clips. So whether front or backward, it's going to leave a space in between the clips. So if you want to do a ripple delete without leaving a space, all you need to do is to hold down the command key plus shift plus the open bracket. So let's do that and see how it happens. So the command plus shift to create a delete to create a ripple delete around this place. So this is the keyboard shortcut I'm going to use. I want to delete this section and cover it just like a ripple delete. So I hold the command shift and the open bracket and it does the magic. So let me undo that again, and I want to do it from the extreme end over here. So assuming I have these clips connected and I want to do ripple delete from here to this point while reconnecting the clips together, all I need to do is to hold the command key plus shift plus the close bracket and it does the magic for me. So that's basically how to do ripple delete using different kind of methods. I have shown you how to do the trimming from the edges, okay, and I have shown how to do the trimming from the other edge as well, and how you can move on and how you can create and delete the basic spaces in between the clips and all that. So this is basically how to edit your footage pretty fast with the help of the shortcut keys to do ripple delete and so on. So just master it. Later on I will show you how to customize and use the shortcut keys to your advantage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.